Well, the deeper understanding of anniversary is that we reflect about what happened in the past, about our beginning. I remember 30 years ago, it was a full moon in June that we opened the New Rural Bank of San Leonardo for business for the first time. And today po is also a new moon. So that has been our tradition to celebrate our anniversary either a full moon or a new moon. When we celebrate, we reaffirm the same commitment, the same advocacy that brought us here. We are New Rural Bank of San Leonardo, and we take proud of it.
Found our way. It's a brand new day, and we'll be making history. Are you with me? Won't you stay?
Ako po ay lubos na nagagalak na makita po na tayong lahat ay nagtitipon ngayon upang pagdiwang ang ika-30 anibersaryo ng New Rural Bank of San Leonardo.
Lift your voice for those before us.
Happy 30th anniversary, New Rural Bank of San Leonardo!
We are heroes and dreamers. We are restless believers, stronger than ever. Never say never. Don't look back now.
Pamunuan po ng Safe and Sound Agriculture Cooperative po ay taos-puso po bumabati na ika-30 anibersaryo sa New Rural Bank of San Leonardo. Maraming salamat po. More anniversary sa New Rural Bank of San Leonardo. Salamat po.
All your hopes and dreams that light the way.
Ito ho pala yung feeling ng isang rock star. This is really an experience. Opo. So, this is what Joby describes as shining, shimmering, splendid. Or it's just like a magical carpet ride. Sino po ang makapagsasabi ngayon? Tingnan, look at yourselves. Sino po ang mapagsasabi ngayon na pinanganak lang po tayo sa farm? With your dress and get up tonight. Hindi ko na po maalala.
Kinagagalak po namin sabihin na ginagawa namin na lahat dito sa Rural Bank para makatulong sa mga ating magsasaka at sa mga entrepreneur.
Napaka-magical talaga ng gabing ito, and I'm sure you'll surely reach more than 30 years and to much more greater heights because of all the hard working, and sabi nga niya, laging nag-overtime ng mga employees. Muli po, mula po sa amin ni Mayor Ellen, congratulations! Happy 30th anniversary, and we are proud of you. And kahit po anong mangyari, Mayor Ellen and Dr. Acel will be friends with New Rural Bank of San Leonardo.
Watch me now, I feel the spotlight shining down. Everything's alright, standing proud. We'll make the walls come down.
that after 30 years, with 25 branches, after 30 years, starting with only 2 million pesos, we have already reached close to 1.9 billion. Hindi na po swerte ang tawag dun. It is not pure luck. It is hard work.
Stand with each other, we are sisters and brothers, finding our place and running the race. We'll take our chance and seize the moment. Hold on tight and don't let go of all your hopes and dreams that light the way.
To our valued clients around, I cannot mention each one of you, but my deepest gratitude for your continuing patronage of the New Rural Bank of San Leonardo's products and services.
I can hardly wait for it, pushing for a long time, dreaming all my life for it, walking on a thin line. I still believe I'll get through the long night. I'm digging deep, climbing to a new height. What you gonna do when they shine a light down on you? What you gonna do when they shine a light down on you? The future is golden, the future is gold.
Sign po ng logo ng New Rural Bank of San Leonardo. Kung sa hindi pa nakakaalam, ang ibig sabihin po noon ay una sa lahat ang mahihirap. At sa 30 taon po, hindi po nagkaroon ng pagkakataong tinalikuran ito ang kanyang misyon. At umasa po kayo, kasama po natin ang mga darami pang mga kawanin ng New Rural Bank of San Leonardo na naniniwala sa kanyang adhikain na patuloy po tayong magiging totoo sa ating misyon. Happy anniversary po sa ating lahat. Salamat po.
The future is golden.
The next 30 years will be another phase in our continuing journey. I hope each and every person around will be there to celebrate the 35th, the 40th, the 45th, and the 50th anniversaries of this institution. With that, maraming salamat po at magandang gabi sa inyong lahat.
I still believe I'll get through the long night.
Here's to many more years of prosperity, growth, and shared achievements. Cheers! Cheers po tayo lahat.
What you gonna do when they shine a light down on you? The future is golden. The future is golden.